Hi guys, it is officially night. So we are back from the event of celebrating my 1000 views. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys some pics of it. Here we go. Here's a photo number 1. This might not really look like me, but this was a photo of me when I was walking. Then I just edited and looked like it's cute. So yeah. On to photo number 2. Photo number 2 is this photo. Like from the last photo I went a week. So I changed outfit and changed dresses. On to photo number 3. This is my mama's photo. So cute, you guys. On to photo number 5.